Talya, what's your stock pick today?
My stock pick today is Sygnia. So also an asset manager like ourselves. And Ray, generally when I pick stock picks, I also like to think of something that would be good for the retail investors sitting at home. And so something like Sygnia, it's had very good growth over the past couple of years. As I say, I like dividends. They give a good dividend payout ratio, therefore good dividend yields, and as I alluded to with AgriTech, also good, excellent cash generation.
Right. Oh.
So I like it for that. And then just give me a few more seconds. And then I also like the idea that we saw this very big AUM growth in their last set of results, which I believe hasn't gone through to bottom line. So we believe that will also play out.
Perfect. Sygnia it is. Right, Graeme, the microphone and the camera's on you. What's your stock?
Similar vein. I'm going to go with the LSE group, so London Stock Exchange Group, which is obviously listed in the UK. So, we tend to think of it as just the market, being the LSE, but obviously not just the LSE, there are other markets as well. But also they play in other spaces. In fact, data and analytics is a very, very big part of it. They've got risk management tools. I think there's been quite a lot of weakness. My sense is it's because the market is worried about AI, but the reality is that data sits behind paid subscriptions, and the AI models are not going to be able to sort of assimilate and scrape that data. So I think 17 PE, give or take, for probably 11-12% earnings growth, dividend yield of 2%. Well placed also in FTSE Russell in terms of providing, we believe, cost-effective alternative to some of their competitors. So I think LSE Group, after the recent weakness, to me looks quite compelling.
So you're not worried about the AI bubble bursting and affecting the overall picture?
No, well, it may, but I mean, you've already seen, for example, the OpenAI backers, let's call it Microsoft, taking an absolute smack yesterday, 10% down. So no, I think there's a risk, but I think, like Talya, my sense is that what's happening in AI has obviously powered the world markets, but behind that, you had a lot of companies like this that have actually just been rusting away, and SA, let's call them traditional companies, have also been offering value for some time. So I'm not worried about open AI bubble bursting, or the AI bubble bursting and taking the whole world with it.
Sounds good. We'll have to leave it there. Thank you so much to both of you. Thanks to our guest, Graeme Körner from the Körner Perspective, and also to Talya Ginsberg from Umthombo Wealth. So do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and a Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays, as you can see. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from the Stockwatch team this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.